Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss as battery reconditioning. In this video, we'll dive deep into this popular battery reconditioning program and find out if it really lives up to the hype. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the review, let's quickly go over what EZ Battery Reconditioning is all about. EZ Battery Reconditioning is a comprehensive guide created by Ericson and Thompson. It claims to teach you how to recondition old, dead batteries and bring them back to life, saving you money in the process. One of the main advantages of EZ Battery Reconditioning is its cost-saving potential. Think about all those batteries lying around your home or garage that you thought were completely dead. With this program, you might be able to revive them and avoid purchasing new ones, which can be quite expensive. But does it really work? Well, according to numerous customer testimonials and reviews, it seems to be quite effective. People have reported successfully reconditioning various types of batteries, including car batteries, laptop batteries, and even rechargeable batteries. Another great aspect of EZ Battery Reconditioning is its simplicity. You don't need to be a technical expert or have any prior experience with batteries to benefit from this program. The guide provides step-by-step instructions and detailed illustrations, making it easy for anyone to follow along. Now, you might be wondering how this program actually works. Well, EZ Battery Reconditioning provides you with detailed information on battery types, common problems, and the reconditioning process itself. It covers topics like safety precautions, required tools, and the correct methods to recondition different types of batteries. While EZ Battery Reconditioning has received positive feedback from many users, it's important to mention a couple of potential drawbacks. Firstly, not all batteries can be revived. Some may be too damaged or degraded to benefit from the reconditioning process. Secondly, the success rate may vary depending on your skill level and the specific battery you're working with. In conclusion, EZ Battery Reconditioning appears to be a promising program for those interested in reviving old batteries and extending their lifespan. With its cost-saving potential and user-friendly approach, it has gained popularity among DE enthusiasts and those looking to minimize their environmental impact. Remember, if you decide to give EZ Battery Reconditioning a try, make sure to follow the instructions carefully and exercise caution when dealing with batteries. It's always a good idea to prioritize safety. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and useful tips. Thank you for watching the whole video. Do check link in description to watch video on how EZ Battery Reconditioning works. Also do check topic suggestions at the end of the video.